What up world, it's BK here, and today in this Junkyard Tips, we are going to use ChatGPT to help us figure out how stuff works. The tool ChatGPT can be used in so many different ways, and when you're trying to build something and you want to have certain specifications but you're kind of like unsure where to start, it's a good, ChatGPT is a good place to kind of just share your ideas with and see how it comes back. For instance, let's say we're trying to build a Z31, and what we're really interested in doing is making spirited drives down mountain roads. So one of the things that you would imagine you want to upgrade is your differential. But what kind of gear ratios should you use? This is something that would be great to ask a forum, but you've tried to use a forum, right? But ChatGPT will actually bring back some intelligent responses and make you feel like you're talking to yourself in a good way. Here, let's give it a shot. What kind of diff would be good for my Z31 300ZX Turbo? Remember, when you're using ChatGPT, you don't need to really use complete sentences. If you would like to, go ahead, but what you're looking for is a structure and keywords that can associate with what you're trying to say. So if you can convey what you're trying to say, or if you formulate it in a form of questions and keywords, then you're going to get a much more educated response. So this is a question. What kind of diff would be good for my Z31 Turbo? Now, this is a question that will get you a very generic response. It's a very generic question. So we specifically want to know what kind of diff would be good for our car for spirited drives down mountain roads. And let's just see what it says. See, look, it's even correcting me. Choosing the right differential, also referred to as diff. This is what I mean. As long as you can convey the essence with proper keywords of what you're trying to say, it doesn't matter if you can't spell, it doesn't matter if you don't speak English or anything. You just can type in what you feel and think, and then you're going to get back some sort of response. Now, you could just take this response and take it as gold, but I wouldn't suggest doing that. From here, you're going to want to look through and read what it says and take some of this information and put it back into Google or re-ask it more questions so that you can refine what you're looking for. Then you're going to take this big picture idea you have and shrink it down to just a few problems that you need to solve. And from there, it's a lot easier to go onto forums or ask people you know personally. This is the kind of tool that I think can be very beneficial for you and your builds, as well as just ways to get your ideas out on and kind of have a sounding board of something to talk back and forth with. You can talk with yourself, but it's much nicer to have something that's not thinking your thoughts come back to you. I believe this is a useful and powerful tool that you can put in your toolbox for your junkyard adventures. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll check you in the next junkyard video. Have a good one.